Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gantt chart in ClickUp. So navigate to the space folder. So we will go to home here on the left side, a menu, and then go to the spaces. I will select here my marketing space, and here at the top, you will see list board and so on, and plus view. So click on that, and here you will see Gantt chart. So click on that. Now you see here we are in this Gantt chart, and here you will see on this left side marketing list. And what we can do here is basically yeah, you know this thing. So here you will see which list board is where in time frame through the weeks and through the month, and what you have finished and what you are not finished, and how much time do you still have for a project. Right, so we can also add some tasks here uh, and put it in this chart. We can assign also the people that we have in our group. We can add some columns right here. But yeah, this is the harsh brief of how and where to use this Gantt chart. So I hope this quick video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.